We follow the path. And it's stuck! Keep going, we'll find the road. There's the neighbours. Everybody comes out this time of the year to see clear driveways so we don't get fined. You get fined if you leave it for more than 24 hours. Chuck is finding the footpath. There's the footpath. Compared to when I was out here an hour ago, it's getting really deep.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Where am I supposed to go to?
Start throwing it in front of him.
That side!
This is called the snowblower.
That side!
Out of the way. Mr. Peterson will run us over with his snowblower. Crazy old man. Does he have a license to drive that thing? See? It blows the snow. Blowing snow. Footpath. She's going to stand there with a shovel. And that's Mrs. Peterson and her daughter. Here's everybody else. Everybody else has been out here already. Rod wants his done as well.
Keep going, I'll go down here. Keep going.
And there you go. That's how you clear snow.
Listen.
2 inches? We need to stop praying for moisture. Here's Tonya. She wants to come up and play. She just wants to come out and play.